Hello everyone, and today we're gonna talk about Huawei Mate Xs2 and if it's really worth it to buy the new Huawei phone, or it's just a waste of money to spend such as like $2,000 on buying Huawei Mate Xs2, and what's the weak point and what's the strong point on Huawei Mate Xs2, and is it better or Samsung Z4 is better? All of this we will be talking about in our video today. So stay tuned, let's get started. So first of all guys, if we talk about the design. As you can see guys, Huawei Mate Xs2, it comes in very elegant design, a very slim body, and the good thing which you can notice is the screen. Super flat guys, ultra flat screen. There is no any crease in the middle, unlike any other foldable device in the market. So as you can see, there is no crease at all. Screen is super flat. So this one of the strong point for Huawei Mate X2, the large screen, the very high resolution, and also the super flat display. And also the good thing about Huawei Mate X2 is once you fold the device, so you have very normal size screen or regular size screen, which is 6.5 inch, and it will allow you to use the phone when it's folded in very regular way, which is amazing guys. And some people, they will really like this big screen when you fold your device. It has advantage and disadvantage as well. So the good thing that you have big screen, but the bad thing is the back cover here, so the screen will be in danger, or if it falls down, for sure it will be affected since it's not protected by any cover or any case here. Yes, actually it comes with the case inside the box, and the case will be covering the back side as we will see it now. So it comes with this case inside the box with the white color phone you will receive also, or you will get the white case in the box, and with the black phone you will get the black case as well. So the case, simply guys, you can just install it or fix it to the phone in this way, so the backside screen will be protected in case if the phone falls down or something, so the edges here will be protected with the case. But once you try to open it, so you need to, first of all, you need to remove this part and press this button, then you will get your screen unfolded, but still it will be in this position. So you can use this only as a stand if you want, like this or like this. So Huawei, they find this is the only way to protect the screen, since it's folded to the outside, not inside other like other foldable devices. So this is the only way to protect the backside screen when you fold your phone. One more thing here about the screen, which is the resolution. Really, Huawei Mate X2 resolution is amazing, guys. First of all, it comes with 7.8 inch when you unfold your device, and once you fold it, you will have 6.5 inch, and it comes with the resolution of 2200 by 2480. So the resolution here is very good, and you can see the colors are very accurate. And also the good thing here, it comes with the OLED screen. So as we know, OLED screen, it will not drain your battery so fast, plus also it will give you good resolution as well. Also, one of the good point about Huawei Mate X2 is the camera. Actually, Huawei Mate X2, it comes with 50 megapixel camera, which it gives you amazing shot. It works with the Huawei XD optics and Huawei XD Fusion Pro. So the camera here, guys, it gives you nice quality. And also we have here new option, which is mirroring. Simply by tapping this icon here, so the phone will open. Just one more time. So once you press in this icon, so you can see here backside there is a window, another window which you can whoever will be in the front of the backside camera, he can see himself in the back window here. So that's amazing, guys, and it's like a new features also. Plus also the good point about Huawei Mate Xs2 is that charging speed. It comes with 66 watts super fast charging from Huawei, which is will charge your battery from 0 up to 100% approximately in 30 minutes. Plus also the battery will last for a long time since it has the 4600 milliampere battery. Plus also if we'll talk about the body, guys, see how slim the phone is. It's very slim. So comparing to any other foldable device, you will never find this slim body here. Okay, that's about the good thing or the good point about Huawei Mate X2. So what's the weak point, or what the thing which you might not buy this phone because of it? First of all, the phone, as we know, it doesn't support Google Play services. But recently Huawei, they just figure out, or they upload one application in their store which is the Gbox, and with the Gbox you can install most of Google application such as Google Drive and also YouTube, Google Maps, and a lot of Google application, as I will show to you now. So guys, once you just enter the app gallery or log into the app gallery, then right here Google. So once you write Google, you can see here this gray icon next to the application. That means this application will be installed through something called Gbox. And Gbox, it's like virtual. This application will turn your phone to the virtual version which support Google services. As you can see now, once I will download this one, so now I will open it, and it will ask me to install the Gbox. The Gbox exactly same like Gspace, but the good thing that Gbox doesn't have any ads, so it will be free of ads. This is the one. So now, as you can see, you can download even Google Drive, Google Meet, Google Maps. All of these applications are available through the Gbox. But again, this Gbox, guys, it will, for example, if you download the WhatsApp through the Gbox, it will work, and you can even restore your old message from your old Android phone to the new WhatsApp on Huawei phones. But the thing is, this is the WhatsApp, as you can see. So if I install the WhatsApp from the Gbox, here I can download it, I will sign into my account, I can even restore my messages from Google Drive. But the thing is, as long as I'm opening the application, here, so I can receive all the notifications and messages. But once I will go out from the application, all the messages and notification will be hold, or it will not come on the same time. For example, now I will open it. Need just permission. So guys, the WhatsApp, I think there's some issues. I give all the permission, but still it's not opening. So anyway, once you download the WhatsApp, you can restore your messages from the Google Drive, but as I told that you will not receive the message in the same time as long as you open the application, so you will receive the message normally. But if you quit the application or you close all the apps in the background, so you will not receive any notifications until you will keep the Gbox always on running on the background. This is the only time you will receive the notification from the WhatsApp or from the Gbox applications. Plus also the second weak point here, which is the 4G. So Huawei Mate X2, guys, it support only the 4G. It doesn't support 5G network, since the processor here it comes with it's a Snapdragon 888 4G only. So this is the second weak point, and also the third weak point is that has only two screens. Unlike, for example, Samsung Z4, it has three screens. So once you open, you have two screens like this, and one more once you fold your device. But here you have only one screen. And also one of the weak point is the eSIM. So Huawei Mate X2 doesn't support eSIM. It only needs physical SIM in order to work. It doesn't work with the eSIM at all. Also, Huawei Mate X2 it supports only the wired charging. So it doesn't support wireless charging. This is also one of the weak points for Huawei Mate X2, guys. So it's only wired charging, which is 66 watt. We was wishing that it will support also the wireless charging, but unfortunately it doesn't support the wireless charging. So that's it for our video today, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.